According to the National Electrical Code Section 680.12, a maintenance disconnect is required for indoor spas and hot tubs, as well as outdoor installations, for all utilization equipment other than lighting. The first question addresses whether the main breakers in the spa or hot tub package can serve as the maintenance disconnect, assuming they are readily accessible and within sight when working on the pumps and motors contained within the unit. The answer is no, the main breakers in the spa or hot tub package cannot serve as the maintenance disconnect. Section 680.12 specifies that the maintenance disconnect must be located within sight of the spa or hot tub, readily accessible, and capable of being locked in the open position. The main breakers within the spa or hot tub package typically do not meet these requirements because they are generally not readily accessible when the unit is closed, and they usually cannot be locked in the open position. Therefore, they do not fulfill the necessary criteria for a maintenance disconnect. The second question explores whether the maintenance disconnect can be remotely operated using a snap switch. Based on the information, the maintenance disconnect can indeed be remotely operated using a snap switch. Section 680.41b2 states that an emergency disconnect switch may be remotely operated. Section 680.12 requires a maintenance disconnect, and since the code does not differentiate between emergency and maintenance disconnects in this context, it is reasonable to assume that the remote operation provision also applies to maintenance disconnects. Consequently, the maintenance disconnect for an indoor spa or hot tub can be remotely operated using a snap switch. In summary, the main breakers in the spa or hot tub package cannot serve as the maintenance disconnect due to accessibility and lockability issues, but the maintenance disconnect can be remotely operated using a snap switch. This interpretation relies on the code's lack of differentiation between emergency and maintenance disconnects regarding remote operation.